Hello friends, in this video we will see how to download and install TailsOS 6.18 on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to TailsOS official website, that is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. Then see here we have the Tails 6.18, that is the latest version. Then click on burning a Tails DVD. Then see here we have the direct download and download by using BitTorrent. Either is fine. Click on download Tails 6.18 ISO image. See, download started. See here its size is 1.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then we open VMware. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse. Then go to downloads directory. Then select the TailsOS ISO image. Select it. Click on open. Click on next. Next operating system is Linux, version as select the latest Debian version. Then click on next. Then provide the name TailsOS 618 VM, and this is the location. If you want some other location, click on browse and select the location. Then click on browse. Then provide the disk capacity. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to increase or change any one of these values, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Then click on close. Click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, select from this list and click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 6.18, and hit enter. See, these are the options that we have to configure. If you want to create persistent storage, you have to turn on. Okay, and language, keyboard layout, formats, I am not going to change. I am going with all defaults. Then see here additional settings. Click on this plus button. See here, these are the default values. If you want to set the password for administration, click on it and provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on add. Remaining options I am not going to configure, like offline mode, unsafe browser, and network connection. Okay, click on cancel. If you are okay with all the settings, just click on start Tails. Now see here, connect to tar automatically or hide to my local network that I am connecting to tar. Okay, it is up to you. Select it and click on connect to tar. See, it is connecting to tar. Okay, in the meantime, open terminal, go to show applications, open terminal. Let me increase the font size. /etc OS-release to verify the version. See here we have installed 6.18 Qt Control A. The first step after connecting to TailsOS is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is connecting. Okay. See, this is also connecting. So in this video we have seen how to download and install TailsOS 6.18 on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.